Hey guys, welcome back to the JPM Performance channel. You know I'm always liking to show you guys some cool cars on the dyno, and just so happens we've got a pretty cool one today. Got Billy Watts here with me. Tell us about your car.
69 Camaro, LS powered, turboed, strokes. We got web engineering for the chassis, Miller machine for the engine, tuned by Eric Casson. He does the software stuff. We're hoping for some good horsepower out of this drag week car to be. Hopefully everything works out today, and we continue forward with this journey with this type of car. So I'm very happy that Jesse let us in here for his dyno, and between him and Eric Casson, I'll get the max of the max. This is the best of the best here. So.
And we got Eric Casson. He's already under the dash getting things hooked up, so hold on, watch this.
thing you'll know, you'll have all the street outlaw people.
All right, guys, so here's what we got going on today with the Camaro. It looks like the turbo is undersized because, as you can see, the horsepower is coming up at a pretty good rate, but then the boost was pulling off and then it just flattened out. So I believe he said it was a 63 millimeter turbo, and it needs to be more like a 100 millimeter turbo for the amount of power that we're making. So this is very, very low boost. This is about 3 pounds of boost here at 5,100 RPMs, still making 500 horsepower. So as you can see, we have some progress that has been made. That was his very first dyno pull on that car ever. And so we're gonna get a bigger turbo and get the car back on the dyno and have installment number 2 of Project Camaro Turbo Dyno Tune, whatever you want to call it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're doing well. See you next time.